to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. And again, thank you so much for being here. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you. And as you can see from the description, we are going to be unboxing or unbagging our October 2018 Yes Oh Yes. And I am super excited. I love this subscription. If you are not familiar with Yes Oh Yes, it is a $14.99 a month subscription. It is a beauty subscription where you receive 3 to 7 full-size beauty items every month. Like I said, it is $14.99 and they do charge a small shipping fee, so usually it's like $17, $18 total, but well worth it. So I will make sure to leave a link down below to their website and a code to get you 10% off your first order. So we are gonna dive in. I do want to say, if you happen to notice over the next few days that I post a couple of videos with my cat ears and the same, as you guys know, if you've been watching some videos, I haven't felt the greatest. So I actually have a couple of different things I need to do videos for today. So I'm not going to post them all today, just letting you guys know if you notice the same look, that is why. So let's dive in here and see what we got this month. Okay. So I'm going to fill for the card. Alright, so it is obviously October 2018. This, I think, is so cute. The theme for the month is Resting Witch Face. That is cute. And on the back, it does tell us everything that is included, and it includes pricing, which I love. I love when they include the pricing on items. So we are just going to grab something. Sticks lipstick. This is a retail value of $20. So there is the packaging. And it says it's the color Rose. So let's, ooh, that is different. I like that. And this color, how do you, not quite sure how you would get it to come. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you twist the bottom to make it come up or down. That is a very, very pretty color. I really like that. That is super, super pretty. It made kind of a big swatch because it is so big right there, but I do really like this. And that is the color. Super, super pretty. So happy for this, and if I did not say, I believe I did, but $20. So that more than pays for the box or bag right there, just with the very first item. The next thing is the NCLA Los Angeles. This is a nail polish, $18 value. And this is in the color I've been drinking. It is a very, very pretty shade. It's kind of a coral. It's not quite, it almost looks hot pink on camera, but it is not quite that in person. It is more of a coral pink. It is actually very pretty and a color that I typically will go for, so I'm happy to have that. And that, again, that item alone pays for the box. The next item is from Mirabella. This is Lighten Up Charmed Visionary Eyeshadow. Mirabella Visionary Longwear Eyeshadow, $30. Oh, wow. for one eyeshadow? The eyeshadow you've been dreaming of is finally a reality. Long-lasting, creamy texture transforms into a powder finish that will not crease, moisturizing and oil-absorbing color perfection that lasts all day. All right, so this is the packaging. I'm gonna take the plastic off. Actually open it. Alright, so again, that may be better. Want to stay fresh? Keep me on the jar. Can you guys see that? That's cute. Okay, so we're gonna say, oh, it's like a, it's like a mousse, or it is. Okay. It's like a creamy mousse. And it does go to a powdery texture. And it's really pretty. It's got some sparkle in it. That is interesting. I have not used any eyeshadow like that before. So I am actually quite excited about that. That is really, really beautiful. And I love the color. And it actually matches really well with the lipstick. So I'm going to put this little guy back on so it stays fresh. $30. Wow. Okay. So next we have an eyeshadow brush. Scone Cosmetics Luxe Pro Brush. This is $20. That is crazy. Every item so far, just individually, has been more than the cost of the entire package. And you guys know I love my brushes, especially eye brushes. So this is a small shadow brush. And it's soft but dense, so I love that. Yay for a brush. And it looks like we have one final item. Ooh, and I did kind of know about this one, I'm not gonna lie. I'm super excited. Last month, September's Lola box, we received the Poolside IBY palette. And it had a lot of bright, fun colors. It's a great palette. This palette, I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box, is the IBY City Limits palette. Say I'm going to take it out of the box. Okay. This is a $28 value. So yet again, another product that is worth more than the cost of the box. This is what it looks like. It is super, super pretty. All of their palettes always have a large mirror. Oh, got plastic falling. All right. Try not to blind you guys. Do y'all see these colors? Oh my gosh. They are gorgeous. So, so gorgeous. Like, I cannot wait to try some looks with this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I honestly only see one shadow that I would consider matte, and that is this blue down here, because all of the others, even like this one that appears matte, when you actually look, it does have some shimmer, and I'm okay with that. I actually prefer a shimmer or a sheen eyeshadow. I think these colors are absolutely beautiful, and of course they are so perfect for fall or any time really. I mean, they are just gorgeous. You guys, I am just, yes. Yes, oh yes. So this is what I also like. When they include the pricing here, they tell you the total value of the box. And this month, October 2018, yes, oh yes, total value is $116. And it's $14.99 a month. You can't beat it. And I mean, it's just, I love it. I mean, the lipstick is gorgeous. The nail polish is gorgeous. The palette, oh my goodness. That creamy, moussey, but finishes down, and you can really see the shimmer to y'all. What? So it said it was a long wearing eyeshadow. Okay, there's nothing on my finger. Still nothing on my finger. That is beautiful, and I love the little bit of shimmer to it. So, oh, and the brush. Love eyeshadow brushes. So I am so excited with the Yes Oh Yes for October 2018. I will make sure, like I said, to leave a link down below for you guys if you would like to sign up, and I will include a, I think they have like a 10% off your first month coupon, so I will make sure to put that down below if it is still valid, so you can sign up if you'd like. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.